It's a 2016 GMC Terrain. This roomy crossover SUV gives you the versatility to carry people and cargo while enjoying a quiet, powerful, and safe ride. Sometimes you just want to turn off the world, and this Terrain makes it possible with advanced acoustic technology keeping outside noise outside. Combine that with a world of entertainment options on a 7-inch touchscreen, and the drive could be the most relaxing part of your day. Your days won't include as many trips to the gas station either, thanks to an engine that is fuel efficient and still powerful. Plus, safety surrounds you in this roomy Terrain with a rear-view camera and road-gripping StabiliTrak.
The premium sound system gives you a rich listening experience. Hindsight is 20/20 with a backup camera. Wrap yourself in the comfort of heated seats.
Enjoy amazing space in a crossover SUV that treats you to a quiet, luxurious ride. Test drive it today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.